Alright, so a while back I made a video on what can we do to make an airbag go off without actually adding voltage to it to trigger the airbag to go off. I was flinging the thing up in the air, kicking it around, nothing happened. Finally got Tubbs over here, he got a hold of me, he said, hey man, I want to teach my kid how to shoot, he just turned 13, it's time to educate the kid. Yep, well, Lucian caught a piece of brass in his shirt, that was kind of interesting, he learned how hot it was. Also learned how much a rifle kicks. Pushed him back 2 steps. That'll be a little bit later in the video. So, me and Tubbs are having a little bit of fun. We're giving the boys some safety tips. And then, of course, Uncle Randy's got to jump in there and pull his whole, well, we show you the safety stuff. Now we're going to show you the stuff what not to do. Yes, it's kind of fun. Yes, it's kind of interesting. But this is what you do not want to do with a firearm. Key tip, do not shoot airbags. Well, my theory was I wanted to see if you can shoot an airbag and make it go off. So we've got a steering wheel airbag and we've got a dashboard airbag. So Tubbs figured he'd start his boy out easy with a little 22 pistol, and the pistol didn't work. Kind of comical. I was having fun with it. Figured you'd check all that stuff before you left the house, but I guess if you can't pull the trigger on something, you really can't check it that much. You can clean it, you can make sure it's all good, but you get to the range and yeah, nope. Well, the range actually is the motocross track. We're shooting into the back of the landing ramp for the freestyle ramp. Works really good. Lots of sand. Bullets don't go anywhere. Everything's all good. So, and we upgraded. Tubbs taught Lucian about the 9mm semi-automatic. Let Lucian play with that a little bit. Single shots, 1 bullet at a time. Did not put more than 1 bullet in the gun at a time. So, all he had to do is pull the trigger once. There was no double fires, no worry about anything like that. We were trying to be as safe as possible and still have fun. As you can see, we've put a bunch of holes in this steering wheel airbag and it hasn't gone off yet. I really think the nylon stopping the bullets from getting to the trigger that makes the airbag go off. So we will be flipping it over and shooting at the backside, shooting at front side, backside, we're using the shotgun, the rifle, the 9mm. Here we got Lucian, first shot with Tubbs's 5.56 rifle. Kind of a cool rifle, not left-handed friendly. Sends Lucian back a couple of steps. He was not expecting that whatsoever.
Too low.
And we turned around and loaded up another clip for me. Start shooting at things. Figured we'd try and get that airbag a couple of times from the steering wheel. And we'll shoot at the actual dashboard one. And holy cow, third shot, it went off. Please tell me the camera was on.
My camera was on.
Please tell me the camera was on. How do I eject this motherfucker?
Just like that.
Son of a bitch! Was looking for. She went flying. Made all of us jump. Thing fired back about 20 foot behind us. That's a hell of a distance. There's the ramp. And yeah. It was absolutely hilarious. Straight up in the air, up over our heads, covered us with a little bit of sand. Big boom. It was awesome. Now we're going back to going ham on the steering wheel airbag. Still determined to see if we can get this thing to pop. Look at all those holes. Nylon is catching every one of those bullets. It's not even coming through the other side. Try and shoot it on the backside, see if we can hit that center button. If we can hit that center button, maybe we can make it go boom. Let's see what we can do. Tubbs get up there, do a little reset, fall over, reset, try again. Trying to get this thing to go boom. Yeah, I know it's a little sketchy handling it at this point, but we try. hit the button.
Yeah, I haven't hit nothing. That one.
You can do it.
Maybe that one is a dud, but that one wasn't. We're just trying to blast that last one so it explodes.
I need the button. He keeps missing the button.
As we look at it, I got a lot around it too.
Yeah.
Around the button.
Terrorist, you are not. Yeah, y'all stay over there. Come on, Dad.
You said the button?
Don't get too close. He shoots the shotgun.
Well, I'm gonna go this side.
Did you miss twice?
No, I hit it. Just didn't hit the dead bent. The dead middle.
The button. The can't miss gun. With the I'm gonna fuck you up shot. Two shots, one up. Fuck it. Son of a bitch, you're going off. At an angle. That's pretty straight on. You missed the button. I fucking hope. I don't think you missed it that time. Jesus Christ. I think we need to hit it dead center. Yeah, I think we need to hit it dead center, Dad. Like, specifically right in the middle. That white thing in the middle. That none. Alright, so there you have it. Dashboard airbag will go off if you hit it in the right spot. On the other hand, steering wheel, not so much. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.